Azure portal. Okay, this is my Azure portal, right? Okay, so once you logged in, once you get the credit card and you are fine with the uh, start, where it will ask you for the uh, your credit card and all the details. We have seen that yesterday. Okay, fine. So once you have given all the details here, just go next. Okay, and it will ask you for the, see that 13,300 credits to use within first 30 days. After that, it will ask you for the credit card. Once you given the credit card, 2 rupees will be debited debited from your account, and it will again credit back to your account. Okay, don't worry. Only 2 rupees. Again, it will credit back to your account. For verifying purpose only, they will use your account. Okay, yeah, fine. Once it is completed, then your account will be activated so that you can start your account using. Fine. Okay, so yeah. So now I'm back to my account. Okay, here I have explained yesterday about the couple of other options where you can give the feedback to the Microsoft, how your experience with the site and all. Okay, it's up to you whether you want to give the feedback or you don't want to give the feedback. And the next part is uh, because this account I don't have the credits on it. Okay, better I can switch to some other account which is used by my friend. Let me use the same account. I use couple of accounts. Okay, each and everyone have to create their own account. Okay, uh, it is not free anyhow. 30 days for the first 30 days you can get a $200 credit and you can use it. Okay, after 1 month you cannot utilize the free services. Fine, that's the reason why it is not possible to share the credentials or something with all of you guys. Okay, everyone has to create their own accounts. That's a mandatory. Fine. Okay, once I log into the server, sorry, once I log into the portal, you are able to see like this. Okay, this is my portal. Fine. Okay, let's see that here you're gonna send the feedback to the Microsoft. We have seen that screen yesterday. And the next important part is like support and troubleshooting. Okay, what is this support and troubleshooting? Yeah, let me go through it. Okay, so in case you have encountered any problem or any issue with the Azure portal, yes, always you can raise a case to the Microsoft. How are you going to raise it? Just help and support. Click on help and support. Okay, create a support request. Yes. Okay. Uh, describe your issue. What issue you are exactly facing? Okay, I can say that uh, I am unable to use my credit card to utilize $200 credit for free account. This is my issue. Okay. Yeah. Subscription limitations quota, subscription management, technical issue. This is subscription related issue, right? What is the issue? Okay. Click on next. Like this, you can uh, you can raise a case to the Microsoft. What is the problem type? I can say that unable to access my subscription. Okay. Issues signing or accessing the my subscription. Like this, you have to raise a case. Appropriate, you have to fill the information. Okay. So what is this recommended solution? So like these kind of issues like what you are facing, it might occur before, right? Before to someone also. So what the Microsoft do, whatever the issues they solved, okay, they will document everything and they will keep it in the site. Okay. So that for the repeated issue, you no need to go to the Microsoft. Okay. You can go ahead and you can do some your own kind of troubleshooting. Okay. Yeah. For whatever the request I have raised, for this what they are saying, with the signing to the Azure portal or accessing a subscription. If you are unable to sign into the Azure portal or unable to, sorry, someone is take only 1 hour. Yeah, fine. Okay. Yeah. If you are unable to sign in to the Azure portal or unable to access your subscription, make sure you are using the correct account or email ID, something. Okay. They are saying exclusively that if you are unable to do it, this is a problem. Okay. No subscription fund. When signing to the Azure portal, if you are unable to see the subscription, check the following. Make sure that your Azure directory is selected and something they have given the. This is like kind of uh, it's kind of the already the someone has encountered same kind of issue. That's the reason why they given some uh, analysis, and okay, based on that you can go and troubleshoot it. Okay, this is one part. Okay, if still you are not happy with this, okay, whatever the solution that they have given, if you are not happy with this, yes, you can say no, and you can go ahead with the next. Okay, and additional details. Okay, problem when it is occurred today. Okay, at what time? So and so time you have to give the time. Okay, and Chennai Kolkata visit time, uh, use the current time. When you use the current time, it will by default take the what is your system time. By default it will take it. Okay, what is the selection subscription ID, that pay as you go, and what is the email ID? I can say something, my email ID. Okay, and then after just go with the last login time when you have tried to log in to the system. This is the time, and so and so you have to information, what is the information that you required, where you are exactly trying to log into the system. I'm trying with the edge, right? Provide the error message what you are trying to give. Okay, I am getting my subscription is invalid, error, something. Okay, yeah, browser network or trace. Okay, provide the browser network trace or any additional information about your issue. Still, if you want to add the screenshot also, yes, you can add the screenshot. Okay, how you gonna upload? You can upload the file by taking the screenshot or something. You can upload to here. After that, okay, allow collecting advanced diagnostics from your laptop. Yes, you can say that they will collect some information from your laptop and try to, it will helpful to the Microsoft to troubleshoot your issue. Okay, yeah, how are you gonna get the uh, support from Microsoft, whether you need a telephonic call or whether you need a email support. Okay, if you go with the email, yes, they will give the email support. Something you can go ahead and go to the next. Something here it is missing. Okay, let me put it as Vishal. Next, choose the country. I am from India. Okay, click on next. Again, something is missing. Yeah, same kind of issue. You can put it as here also. Next. Okay, so if you create the issue, it will create it. Okay, and you will get the support from Microsoft. Fine. This is real time, guys. How are you gonna raise the tickets in real time? Okay, yeah, I don't want to raise it because my subscription is already working fine. For for the sample purpose, how are you gonna raise it service tickets to the Microsoft? I just have shown you how to raise a ticket. Fine. Now suppose you already raised a request. Okay, now we want to see that what is the status of that request. Okay, just come here, all support requests, go to here, your support and help and support. Inside that there is a all support requests. Okay, it will give you the list of service requests that you have raised already, and what is when you have created, what is the subscription, what is the resource type, what is the last updated, and what is the status of the request what you have raised. Okay, yeah, and this is very important, guys. Support plans. Okay, yeah, this is very important. Okay, based on this only you will get the support from the Microsoft. Let's see that what is a different kind of support plans they have. Microsoft give basically different kind of support plans in case of any issues. Okay, let's go with the uh, basically they divided into four parts: basic, developer, standard, and professional direct. Okay, basic, standard, developer, and professional direct. Okay, what it is, what it is. Okay, why they have. Okay, you missed it. How to raise a ticket again? Okay, let me go through again. So the purpose of the ticket is why you need to raise a ticket to the Microsoft. Okay, whenever you are trying to create any service, or whenever already you have created a service and that service is not working as per your expectations. Okay, or any challenges. Okay, anything if you are encountered while you are working with Microsoft Azure, you can always raise a case to the Microsoft. Okay, how are you gonna raise a case to the Microsoft? Just come to the start. There is a option called support and troubleshoot. You can see that the question mark. Okay, just come here. There is a option to help and support. Okay, when you click on it, it will here you can have the create a support request. Just click on it. You can, what is the issue of it? Okay, you can have to summary the issue, what exactly the issue is. You have to brief about. Okay, and just go to the next and review and create, so that your request will be created to the Microsoft. Fine. So how you are going to get the support? Like you're based on the your support plan. What kind of support plan that you have taken from the Microsoft? Based on that, you will get the uh, response. Yeah. Okay. Suppose if you are using for the normal purpose, like uh, like if you are a normal user like what I am using currently, so you will have the basic plan. Okay, okay, like a developer is a little bit higher than basic, and standard is like uh, some more higher than the uh, developer, and the premium is professional direct. This is very premium, guys. Okay, and the for the support model they will charge more. We'll see that how much they are going to charge and all. Okay, let's go now. Yeah, so while coming back to support models, we have basically four type of support models. Fine. Someone again dropped off. Who is that? In between, someone came and dropped off. Revati. Revati, she is there. Okay, fine. Okay. Uh, yeah. So when it comes to the basic, okay, what will happen in basic model? Uh, so okay. So in scope, what is the scope of the basic model? Okay, billing and subscription support, online self help. Okay, Microsoft, how are we gonna do it? You have to do the like billing and the subscription support. Okay, you can get the like you don't get the much uh, in the much support in the basic model. Okay, yeah. So this kind of support model is very useful, like when you want to do it the self kind of troubleshooting. Okay, in this, then go ahead with the basic model. When it comes to the developer, okay, in developer what will happen, this kind of subscription you can utilize for the production and non-production servers. Don't go with the production, just go with the non-production environments. Okay, yeah. So when you are working with the production environments, just go with the standard. Okay, if your one environment is a production environment, just go with the uh, standard support model. Okay, so if your business is very critical, very critical, you need a support immediately. Okay, then you just go with the professional direct. Okay, what exactly they will give, let's see that. Okay, yeah. So in basic model, what will you get it? Customer service and communication, how the communication would be, you will get the 24/7 support service, and most of the times you have to go with the documentation and support forums only. Okay, you cannot, sometimes you cannot raise a case to the Microsoft as well. Okay, most of the times what you have to do, you have to, they will give the some documentation, just go with this documentation and do the troubleshooting. Okay, and while it comes to the developer, in developer, also something like a similar to here only. Okay, you don't get much customer experience here. Okay, when it comes to the standard, like you will get the much more experience here. Okay, they will give always the best solution here. Okay, and the best practices. Okay, here see that Azure advisory recommendations. Yes, you can always see the Azure recommendations in all the basic models. Okay, let's see. Yeah, technical support, how the technical support would be. Okay, here let's see, in basic model they don't give any technical support to you. Let's see this this technical support is blank. It means that they don't give you a technical support to you. Okay, yeah. When it comes to the like developer, business hours and access support via email. In basic model, what they do, they will give you the support to via email. Okay, when it comes to the standard, email and phone, they will be available 24/7. Okay, via email and phone they will contact you. Whether you can give your phone number and saying that I have encountered this issue, please, I need immediate support, reach out to this number, so that immediately then whoever the engineer available in support, or whoever the engineer available in the shift, they will immediately check your ticket and come back to you. Okay, yeah, this is also same kind of support you will get it. Okay, let's see. And who can open cases, you cannot open a cases in the basic model. Okay, unlimited contacts, unlimited cases, you can raise many cases with the Microsoft in all the three models, like developer, standard and professional direct models. Okay, and third party software, here you don't get the support. Okay, in three models you will get the support. Fine, yeah, this is very important, guys. Okay, how you will get the response, case severity response times, SLA we call it as a service level agreements. Okay, yeah. So when it comes to the basic model, you don't have the any timelines, guys. Okay, when they are going to come back to you, you don't know. If I raise a case by today, probably they will come back to me tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or they might not come back to me also. Okay, because I'm not into a uh, I'm not into a any either one of the model, like developer, standard or premium. Okay, that's the reason why I they cannot assure you when they are going to get back to resolve your issue. Fine, yeah. When it comes to the developer, like when it comes to the developer model, they will like if you have any impact on the severity C. Okay, less than 8 hours they will come back to you. Within less than 8 hours you will get a response from the Microsoft via email or via phone. Okay, when it comes to the standard, in the standard, okay, they have defined this SLS. Okay, like if the severity C is like it is very minimal impacted one. Okay, for the minimal impacted one, you will get it within 8 hours. For the moderate, you will get within 4 hours. For the critical impacted business, you will get within 1 hour. Within 1 hour, your ticket will be assigned, and the appropriate engineer will be assigned to work along with you. Okay, they will come to call, they will ask you to share your screen, and they will start troubleshooting of you. Okay, so where you are exactly facing the issue, why the issue is occurred, they will they will start diagnose your problem and give the recommendations so that your issue will be resolved immediately. Okay, this is how the agreement uh, the Microsoft made between you and Microsoft. Fine, guys. And for the premium support, professional direct, Here for severity, see, let's see that here 8 hours is there, here 4 hours. Here, so for B case, you will get the response within 4 hours, here within 2 hours. Okay, slight changes. Okay, and uh, here let's see that training and all, like if you are like utilize this model, maybe from Microsoft, you can hear this web seminars. Okay, something they will like they will send a links to you. This seminar is going to happen, so you can attend and utilize it. Something you will get the mails from Microsoft as well. Okay, for the professional direct. See that, and this is very important, guys. Okay, so when it comes to the price model, let's see, for basic they don't charge anything. It's a free. Okay, for the developer edition, they are charging $29 per month. Okay, 29 means, almost take an example that $30, 7 into 3, 21, 2100. Okay, almost 2100 they will charge from you. When it comes to uh, the standard, okay, they will charge $100. 100 into 70, almost 7,000 per month they will charge. Okay, when it comes to the professional direct, they almost charge $1,000 per month. 1,000 into 70, almost 70,000 per month they will charge. Okay, that's how the Microsoft they deal with the business, guys. Okay, so for the like the organizations, what they do, they do they go with the professional direct, so that they will have always the best service from the Microsoft. They don't care about the money. Okay, they need a best service from the Microsoft always. Okay, always it will be a professional direct. Yes, if you want to upgrade from one, like right now I'm into basic, if I want to go, yes, you can upgrade it. They will charge uh, from you. Okay, yes, fine, guys. And service and health, what is this service and health? uh, where the currently region are there, if any regions are affected. Okay, if any regions are affected, what is region and all, we'll see that part later. Currently the Microsoft is operating in these many locations, guys. These many locations, we call it as a regions. Let's see that in India, if you see, we have 3 regions. Okay, like in US you have many regions, in here also you have many regions. Okay, in this is another part of US, right? And in Africa also we have, in Australia also you have, like this you have plenty of regions across the world. Okay, these are nothing but data centers, guys. These are data centers. Each one you are showing as in blue color, it is indicate that, yeah, these are nothing but a regions. Okay, region is very important. We'll see by Monday onwards what is region and all. Okay, healthy locations, whatever currently you are showing in blue color, those are healthy locations. If anything affected, or any like any natural calamities, or kind of any issues, or any networking, something happened, okay, then you can see those locations in a red color, so that there is something problem with the uh, location, you can come to know that. Okay, and also just come here, you can see that planned maintenance, where the planned maintenance right away going on. Okay, they will also give the see that this is the one. Okay, 322, this month 22nd, they are going with this some planned activity for the IIS extension registration for Windows. Okay, health advisories, this will give some health related to Microsoft. Health history, you can see that if any services are affected, okay, anything that was affected since, okay, it will give all the list of things. See that 10/3/2023, there was something services issues happen. Okay, health issues, health alerts, if you want to put some health alerts, okay, add service health check, so that you will get the all the health alerts from the Microsoft. Okay, this is how you're gonna use your support and help. Yes. What is the next thing? This is very, very important, guys. Okay. Okay. Directories and subscriptions. Okay. What is my directories and subscriptions? Right now, what subscription I am. Okay. What subscription I am. This will indicates that your subscription model. Okay, if you want to switch in between, yes, you can always switch in between the subscriptions as well. If you are operating with multiple subscriptions, yes, you can change the subscription model at any time. Okay, yeah. And what is the default directory? It will go to this directory. Okay, yeah. And appearance of startup. This is very important, guys. How you gonna make your portal? How you gonna make your portal? It looks like, okay, that is nothing but your appearance and startup. Okay, appearance and startup. Let me show you. By default, it will be something like this. Okay, it will be in a docked model. What is docked model? Let's see that. Just click on OK. It is already into docked model, right? Let's go to the flyout model. See that you don't get the screen. Okay, you don't get the like uh, the other screen. Okay, like where you cannot see anything. Okay, here left side you will get a pane where you can see other options, like you can use the favorites and all in the left side here. Okay, that is nothing but your docked model. Docked is something like this. It will look like this. Okay, when you click on docked, let's see the, just observe the difference. Now your favorite bar will come here. Okay, your favorite bar will come here, so that whatever the services that you use frequently, you can add into the favorite bar, so that every time you no need to go and search here, directly you can come and just click on that, so that you will directly go to the service and you can create it. It's a very easy for operating. Okay, so just always my recommendation is just go with the docked model. Always just go with the docked model, so that you will get the your favorite bar on the left side, so that you can easily quickly you can move it. I just want to go here. Yes, you can click on it, so that you can create the services quickly. Okay, whenever you want to create new service, again you have to come and no need to search in the search bar. Okay, just go with the docked model. It's up to you guys whether you want to go with the flyout or docked model. No one will not restrict you why you are going with the flyout model. Why don't you go with the docked model? Okay, it's up to your convenience, your convenient how you want to use the services. Fine. Okay, and the theme is like how you gonna like in mobiles, right, where you put the theme. I want this theme, that theme. Okay, like this by default Azure will give the Azure theme. This is Azure theme, guys. Azure theme means blue and white combination. This is nothing but Azure theme. Okay, I don't want Azure theme. Why I have to go with Azure theme? When you get this kind of question, what you can see this, you can change it, apply. See the difference? This is coming in like this. Okay, and your screen will be, your favorite bar will be like this, and the rest of the screen will be same. It will be in black. Okay, and let's come here and change the light, how the light would be like this, it will show. Okay, little bit changes. And there is one more, like dark. When I click on the dark, let's see. Okay, it will be something look like as the Linux machine or something. Okay, when you are familiar or when you want to use more Linux kind of things, or when you are familiar with the Linux, then you like this kind of theme. Okay, but generally basically what I'm saying is like anyone can go ahead with the Azure, so that it will be it will be very, it look very good. See that, guys, how looks, it looks very, very good. Okay, well, coming to the rest of the three themes, this theme is very good, guys. Okay, just keep this theme. See that high contrast theme. If you want to go with the high contrast, yes, you can use white. When you use a white, let's see the contrast. It will come like this, guys. Okay, see, little bit changes. They have given different themes. What do you want to do? Okay, if you want to white, yes, you can white theme as well if you go with the white theme. If you want to go with the black, yes, you can go with the black theme like this. Okay. Let's go appearance. Yes. Okay. I'm fine with the Azure. Just go with the Azure. It will give more look to you. You can easily uh, you can have the good. Okay. This will be looks very, very good. Don't change this one. If you want, yes, you can change it. That's not a big deal. And the next part is, yeah, this is also very important, guys. Okay. Startup view. Okay. If I start my portal, how it has to look like it, whether it has to display my dashboard or it has to show the home. What is home and what is display? Let's see that. This is my home, guys. Okay. So whenever I click on the whenever I come to the Azure portal, what it has to show? It has to show the dashboard is very important, guys. Okay. When I click on the dashboard, it will clearly show me what are the services that I have created. Okay. What are the services that I have created? It will show all the services in the dashboard so that for monitoring purpose, it will be very easy, guys. Okay. So just always go with these kind of setup. Okay. First go with the Docker model and Azure. After that, you can go with the dashboard. Okay. The next part is language. This is also very important, guys. So you want to see the language in which language? You want to go with the uh, Dutch or Indonesia, Italiano, okay, French, okay. I want French. My site should be in French. Click on, okay. See that? If you know the language, yes, you can utilize it. I don't know what it is exactly. Okay, spare and region. Here, I'm just selecting the Splashy is, I don't know what is Splashy, Dutch. Okay, Splashy is nothing but language. Let me change to English. Okay, like this, the Azure is coming in multiple languages, guys. Okay, we have multiple languages. You have Chinese also. Okay, and the region is, if you want to go with the United States or United English or something, yes, you can choose it. Okay, fine. By default, it could be English and United States, guys. Okay, my information. What is your information? What kind of information? What is your account and what kind of information it will show you clearly. Okay, and this is also very important, guys. Okay, so sign me out when inactive. By default, it could be never, guys. Okay, by default, you can able to see never. What is this? If I am keeping my this Azure portal idle for some time, what it has to do? That is nothing but sign out notifications. By default, it would be never. Don't go with never, guys. What will happen if you keep your system for idle? What will it will do? It won't sign out. Okay. The best recommendation is go with the 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, if you keep your system or if you keep your the portal idle, it will automatically sign out from the your portal. That's the best recommendation where you will see more security. Okay. In case suppose if you sign out into any other applications or if you sign out into your portal, if someone comes and they will refresh you, they will get the session immediately. Okay, that's the reason why just go always with the 15 to 30 minutes when your system is idle. It has to sign out from the portal. Just apply. My recommendation would be 15 minutes. If you want more, yes, you can go with the 30 minutes also. Okay, fine. Apply. Okay, now if your system is idle for 30 minutes, it will be sign out from your Azure portal. What is the next one? Notifications. This is very, 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 very important. Notifications. Okay, so what is this notifications exactly? whatever the service that you have created, whatever the service that you are going to create, or whatever the service that you uh, click on create, it will give the notifications here. Okay, what is the current status of it? Okay, what is the current status of it? How much it is completed? Okay, still how long it is running? Everything you will get in the notifications, guys. Okay, these notifications will play a key role in the Microsoft Azure. Fine. So without notifications, you cannot see what is your services. Okay, like if I click on create, where it is going on, you cannot see it, guys. Okay, from the notifications only you can see that how much percentage it is completed, since how long it is running. Okay, what is the status of my service currently? Okay, like this you can see from the notifications. This is again same, guys. Okay, yeah. So and this is a shell. Okay, so by default, the Azure will give two types of shells, guys. Okay, what is this shell and all? We'll see that part later. Okay, right now I'm just giving what is shell. Okay, shell is a command based operation where whatever the services that you have created or whatever the VMs that you have created, you can connect from here and you can work on it through this shell. Okay, through this shell. Yeah. So if your machine is a Windows machine, yes, you can use a PowerShell. Or if your machine is a like a Linux or any Unix machine, yes, you can use a bash shell. Okay, shell is basically designed to communicate your system, communicate your virtual machine. Okay, that is nothing but shell. You have two types of shells. One is PowerShell and the next one is bash shell. PowerShell is used in Windows machines. Bash shell is used in Linux machines. Clear? When we started working on the Linux or Unix machines or the Windows machines, I can show you by the time how you're gonna connect your machine with PowerShell or when Linux machines. Fine. So until now, any question, any doubts or any questions, guys? Hello.
No, Vishal.
Okay, you're fine. So you want to take the class very slow, or you want me to this kind of pace you are understanding? Let me know if you have any challenges, or can I maintain the same pace,
Yeah, we
or
should.
you want me to?
No issues. We can meet in the same.
Okay, fine. Okay, I think we can find to close today. Okay, like if I start anything, it could be like a real time from Monday onwards. Okay, please guys, please continue like just do the registration, and probably from Monday onwards, it will be start the real time class. Okay, so how we gonna create the services? Right now, I have just given the demo how the it could be around your site and all. Okay, and then from Monday onwards, I will start the really by creating the services. I will show you how we gonna work on it. Okay,
Yeah, we should have one small doubt.
yes, please.
Yeah, is it Azure 900 or Azure Data Factory? Some different types are there now. Which one it is exactly? Or which one we are going to
Yeah,
learn?
which we are going to learn the. Let me take you the exactly what we are going to discuss. Okay, we are going to discuss about the Azure DB model, single DB model, and managed instance and IaaS model. Fine. Okay, so we much and much concentrate on the SQL related parts. Okay, so in Azure we have three models basically: SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS models, right? SaaS models we don't have much chance to explain, or we don't have any chance to work on the SaaS models. Why? Because SaaS model is it's a bundle, right? Already, it's a bundle. You don't have anything to work on it. Okay, directly you can create. There would be already service. Just go and utilize it. Okay, and the next model is PaaS model. These two are PaaS models, guys. Okay, these two are PaaS models. Platform as a service. What is this platform as a service, and how to create a platform as a service? Whatever we are discussing, it's related to SQL only. Azure Factory, Azure Data Lakes, and all, we don't touch it.
Okay.
Okay, that's again a different course. Okay, if you are already a SQL guy, okay, these are more than enough to you.
Okay.
Okay, there are several things. If I say that we are learning one of the part of SQL, like one of the part of Azure. Okay, if you go and uh, check it in Azure portal, where you can see. Okay, sure, we are going to send that one. Fine. Okay, so see that if you come here, if you type like all services, let me go with the all services. Yeah, so if you type a general, you can have the multiple services here, guys. Okay, in Azure portal, you will have the multiple services, like if I can say that Docker. Okay, a Docker, Kubernetes services. Okay, like this, you can have the multiple services in Azure. If you want to learn the entire, it may take like years, guys. Like I can say that 4 to 5 years it will take to understand what services there are inside of the Azure. It will take 5 years, guys. Okay, it's a combination of many things all together. They are keeping in their site. Okay, so we are just learning PaaS model and SaaS model. Sorry, PaaS and IaaS models. We will build a virtual machines. We'll see how the virtual machine we have to connect, and networking part also we'll see. Okay, and and also Azure DB model and single Elastic DB models also will cover up. Okay, so when you are working as already professional guy with SQL Server, then this would be additional benefit to you.
Yeah, thank you.
Fine. Any other doubts, please, guys? We have still time. Get it. Don't keep your doubts inside, and anything it would be. You can always raise your hand, and you can post your question. Okay. We are in a position to answer your question.
With this PaaS and SaaS model, we can try as Azure DBA.
Yes.
Yeah.
Any other doubts, guys? Still, we have 5 to 6 minutes of time. Please utilize, guys, time. Any doubts? Anything? Please feel free to ask.
Yes, I just want to let you know, guys, this is the last demo class. Okay, there is no more demo classes. So if you are interested, then just ping me. I hope you have my number. If not, I'm going to share my number in this chart. Okay. So those who completed the registration from Monday onwards, you'll get the new meeting link. Okay. So that you can continue, guys. I'm going to ping my number here. Okay. So if you are interested, you can just ping me to this number. Once we completed the formalities and all, I'll share the new meeting link. Okay.
Yeah, it could
What
be
about
like.
this recording classes?
Sorry.
What about these last 3 days recording classes?
What about that?
Recording classes for
You will
last
get
3
the
days.
recordings. See, class recordings and all. Initially, 4 to 5 classes I'll upload in the YouTube. Okay.
Oh yeah.
After that, I'm going to give access to you. I'll give direct access to your Google Drive. Directly from the Google Drive itself, we can access the class recordings, and notes also will be shared.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it could be like more interactive session, guys. Okay, where I can share the class notes along with the interview questions. What kind of interview questions on each topic you may get. Okay, uh, and also like if you don't understand any topic, just go once again to my video through my video so that you can easily can practice yourself. Okay, if any questions, you can talk to Shanmugh. He has already posted the number. And just come back to Shanmugh and just complete the registration so that we'll catch you on Monday. I think we are fine, Shanmugh. We can
Yes,
we?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your time. We'll catch you on Monday.
Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.